In this video, you will learn the step-by-step installation process of the solar panels. In the solar kit, you will find the following items necessary for the installation of the solar panels: small leg, big leg, mounting angle, rail L, earth copper rods, earth clamp, C-clamp 1, 100 mm, C-clamp 2, 100 mm, C-clamp 2, 100 mm, end clamp 50 mm long to fit 35 mm thick panel, mid clamp 50 mm long to fit 35 mm thick panel, compass, spirit leveler, angle protractor, silicone gun, silicone tube, P-clip, screw for P-clip, hole plug, Allen key, spanner 13 mm, spanner 17 mm, theft deterrent fastener, theft deterrent key, hex head bolt, Allen head bolt, M8 spring nut, J bolt, M10 nut, coach bolt, anchor fastener with nuts fitted, XLPE earth cable, XLPE earth cable, branch connectors positive, branch connectors negative, solar array installation manual, solar panel PV Power Tech Eco 250 with positive and negative connectors, solar cable red, solar cable black. Unpack the solar panel from the wooden box and ensure all above mentioned items are present in the box. Take 2100 mm rail out of the box.
Prepare C-clamp 2, which will be fixed at one end of the rail and act as its foot, and fix it with rail using two M8x70 bolts, washer and nuts. Insert 6 M8x70 bolts into the rail, 2 for mounting angle, 2 for C-clamp 1 of small leg and 2 for C-clamp 1 of big leg. Insert C-clamp 2 in small and big leg, which will act as its foot, and fix them using M8x20 bolt, washer and nut. Insert C-clamp 1 in rail and fix it with small leg using M8x70 bolts, washer and nuts. Similarly, insert C-clamp 1 in rail for big leg and fix big leg using M8x70 bolts, washer and nut. Fix all the legs and C-clamp 1 on rail on the other side. Slide 3 M8 spring nut inside the slotted rail for clamping end and mid clamps. Insert and slide the mid and end clamps on both the sides with proper direction.
Fix and tighten all the clamps and erect the frame. Insert the mounting angle and join the rail from top. After fixing all the clamps in the mounting rails,
fix the C-clamp 2 on big and small leg, acting as the foot to the mounting round roof using appropriate fixing.
Anchor bolts for concrete, coach bolt for timber joints, J bolts for steel sections, etc. Refer the table for distance between the clamps. Rest the solar panel on the lower part of the frame with the help of end clamps and tighten them with theft deterrent fasteners using theft deterrent key.
Follow the step for resting upper solar panel.
Fix and tighten the mid clamp with the help of theft deterrent fastener after making sure both the panels are clamped, and slide the top clamp on both sides. Bond the solar modules and mounting frame together. Ensure solar modules are installed on a flat or sloping surface facing the sun and unshaded location.
A positive and a negative solar cable is provided with each solar panel, which means 2 positive cables and 2 negative cables will be present on solar structure. Connect positive solar cables with positive branch connector and negative solar cables with negative branch connector.
Connect other end of red cable with positive connector provided at the back of the fridge, and black cable end with negative connector. Refer to the diagram to ensure polarity of connections. Fix or clamp XLPE earth cable in the lay-in lug fixed to the vent opening. Similarly, fix other XLPE earth cable with lay-in lug provided on solar array mounting angle. Connect both XLPE wires with earthing rod grounded outside the refrigerator installation site. Once refrigerator power cables, positive and negative both, are connected to red and black cable from solar panels, turn on the power isolator switch present on front of refrigerator to start the refrigerator and its compressor. Confirm refrigerator is operational by checking compressor LED and temperature in temperature display. Once the refrigerator is installed, it takes 6 to 7 days to reach a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Users should monitor the refrigerator temperature to check the performance of the refrigerator. And in case of abnormal temperature rise, they should immediately inform authorized service center. Once the refrigerator reaches the desired temperature range, user can start storing vaccines or blood bags. User should avoid prolonged opening of doors as it may increase the temperature of the refrigerator and formation of condensation in the refrigerator. In humid conditions, condensation will form on the inside of the compartment. So user must wipe all the compartment surface, door seals and wire shelves with dry cloth to remove water droplets.